Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and this is the final video in my series on object-oriented programming in Go. So this is just going to be a summary video, just to kind of summarize what we've done. So we've learned how to create structs, which basically create types that are clusters of properties. Okay, but by using this receiver, and when we define functions, we can add functions that are used by those structs. Now, if we want to create functions that might be able to take in multiple types as a parameter or as an argument, then we can use interfaces and group types based on the functions they can use. So basically any functions, like in this case, any function or any type, which would be a struct, that is able to use this greet function can then be passed in as a bean interface. So if I define a function that takes a parameter that's called a bean, that would include the alien and the human that we defined. So let's say I want to create a function that allows you to pass in any type. Well, you can just do this. Okay, func print any. And you would just do this. Instead, the parameter would be, let's just say H, and its type of type interface empty brackets. So this is a interface with no methods. So since there's no actual needed methods that requires this, then literally anything basically meets this interface. So you can really pass anything into this, and then we'll just say prints whatever H is. Okay, so let's say I did this. We'll just change this to print any. We'll change this to print any. And then let's say I created another variable, var num equal num, which is an integer, equals 5. Okay, and then we do print any num. Okay, I should be able to use this function with all three of these as an argument, because this interface pretty much says anything can be used. That's the only other cool trick with an interface. This is how you would make functions that can take anything as a argument. So if I hit run, all three should work, and all three work. See, Alex 34, Zod 5000 Jupiter, and the number 5, because all of these can implement this empty interface because they all share the use of the functions inside there, which are nothing. So that's a neat trick. If you want to make a function that can take any kind of type, you just put an empty interface as the type of the parameter. So yeah, with that, I think we've kind of like learned all the pieces you need to start doing object-oriented programming in Go. Now it's just a matter of you practicing and making, interfaces, structs, and methods that implement the program you're trying to create. So enjoy, have a great day, and enjoy. And make sure to go check out alexmercedcoder.com.